Reasons that you gotta.
So guys, I know this song is, I think things that's trended, you don't trend fast now, probably. But now I'm doing my own dance tutorial, so guys, don't mind me, just follow me guys, watch this video, in case you just learn Tyla dance, Shane by Tyla. You don't learn it, just let me know in the comment section. In case you are new here, my name is Teoluckzboom and I do dance tutorial and dance challenges for you guys to watch. I do that for Ona to we're gonna watch. For Ona to 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 watch. So in case you like my dance tutorials, kindly subscribe down below for me. Like this video, share your friends, and let's get right into the challenge to challenge. Now, the first step is Tyla's challenge is finger make me freeze. So you do freeze, and you swallow something inside and then bring it back up. Just make you. I think guys, let's do something so I can feel the moves. Please swallow it in, then return it back. Swallow it in, then return it back. Please make me freeze. Freeze, make it that. Please freeze, make it that. Let's not bend your back. Put your hands in one of your leg, then bend your hip upward like this. Let's go 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, go. Freeze up, make it freeze. Freeze, make it bend. I think guys, please. That's when you have to bring your hip upward. Let's go one more time for the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. She can make a chiefly freeze. Freeze. Well, I'm getting faster and more, but in case I want to just take it slowly. Because we'll be able to master it. Just you suck it down, bring it back on, freeze. Make it back, and you bend one up, and you stop. And do 1, 2. And do 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's go from start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make it freeze. Freeze. Make you burn it. Listen guys. Then you repeat the process again from the start. But not from the freeze, from the bend style. Like from this bend style. So you do make him freeze. Freeze. Make you burn it. Listen guys. So you repeat it twice. Repeat the beneshine twice. Please also subscribe to the channel. Can you subscribe down below for me guys? Subscribe for me guys. Subscribe for me. Subscribe for me guys. Let's have class is fun. Let's enjoy ourselves guys. And one more time. 5 from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bigger make him freeze. Freeze. Make it done. The next step is you go to the side, you wind your waist. I think I said 5, 6, 7, 8. You go to the side, you wind your waist. You go to the second side, you wind your waist. It's an easy step, guys. It's easy step. Just you go to the side, you wind your waist. You go to the side, you wind your waist. Let's go. Freeze, so make a freeze. Freeze, make you gather. Beneshine, this dance, guys. So I won't make it long. Let's just finish it one for real, guys. Let's go. Make a see freeze. Freeze, make you gather. Beneshine. They say loving you, Beneshine. They say loving you, Beneshine. I funny guys. So just side, you wind your waist. Side, you wind your waist. That's the dance. No stress. So this is Tyla step dance. Trending right now on TikTok, YouTube, IG. Wada. You can do dance to guys. Let's go one more time on the start side. Let's do one more last time. One last time, guys, for you guys. For you guys, it's one last time. Let's go. 5. We'll do it in fast pace and slow pace for you guys to see. Let's do it in fast pace first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Finger make them freeze. Freeze, make you got it. Menashine, So that's the fast pace, guys. Now, let's get in slow pace, guys, in slow mo. For yes, let's get to slow mo together with them there. Get them dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go make you freeze. Freeze. Let's do slow mo, guys. Okay, that's all my slow mo for you guys to see. We go make you free. Freeze, make you gather. Me say loving you, me say loving you. So guys, that's the shot for this Tyla song. If you like the video, can you subscribe down below for me? Like the channel, make sure you watch the videos over here, and don't forget to watch me more, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. See you guys in the next video. Peace.